Welcome, programming enthusiasts, to the Intelligent Programming Channel. This is the place where we dive into the world of artificial intelligence and push the boundaries of programming. I'm your host, and today we'll take a look at the process behind creating our website and showcase all the incredible things it has to offer. To create the website, we utilized the powerful platform Gamma, a tool that combines programming and AI to generate ideas and content in innovative ways. With Gamma, we were able to build customized sections that cater to the needs of our followers. The welcome section was designed to greet visitors and convey the essence of our channel. We wanted them to feel right at home, motivated to explore the vast world of intelligent programming. The channel's videos are a crucial part of our website. With the help of the Gamma platform, we generate creative ideas for our video content. These unique ideas allow us to cover diverse topics and pique the interest of programmers at all levels, from beginners to the most experienced. Another important section of the site is dedicated to the programs created using ideas generated by the Gamma platform. Here, we provide downloads for all the incredible programs developed by our team during the video tutorials. Visitors have the freedom to modify them according to their needs and explore new possibilities. A discussion forum was also created to encourage interaction among community members. Programmers can share examples, ask questions, and discuss topics related to intelligent programming. The goal is to create a collaborative space where everyone can learn and inspire each other. In addition to our website, we engage with our followers on popular social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, expanding our reach and sharing content in an accessible and engaging way. Our newsletter plays a vital role in our communication strategy, keeping our followers informed about the latest updates, new videos, tutorials, and special events. It serves as a means to keep our community engaged and up to date with all the happenings at the Intelligent Programming Channel. For those who want to get even more involved, we offer a channel subscription option. Subscribers receive exclusive benefits such as early access to new videos, extra content, and the opportunity to participate in exclusive events. It's a way to give back to the continuous support and engagement of our community. Now, let me tell you about the new version of our website. Here, you'll find a wide range of engaging content, from step-by-step tutorials to exciting collaborative projects. Our team has put in the effort to create incredible programs that you can experiment with and enjoy while learning. Take a look at the programs we've developed. We have a simple calculator for beginners, a guessing game to test your skills, a contact manager to keep everything organized, tic-tac-toe to challenge your friends, a banking simulator to learn about finances, an advanced task manager to enhance your productivity, a maze game to test your logic, a note-taking app to record your ideas, a graph generator to visualize data, and even an exciting text-based RPG game for adventure lovers. If you're looking to improve your programming skills, we have a dedicated section for studies. There, you'll find educational resources such as detailed tutorials, practical examples, and interactive exercises. We want you to become a programming master. Speaking of programming, we have 4 prominent programming languages here at the Intelligent Programming Channel: Python, Java, C, and Ruby. Each of them has its own unique characteristics and benefits. Python is known for its simple syntax and readability, widely used by beginners and experienced programmers alike. Java, on the other hand, is a robust and versatile language extensively used in application and enterprise system development. C is a low-level language ideal for resource optimization and system software development. Lastly, Ruby is a dynamic and expressive language perfect for building interactive web applications. If you're interested in learning any of these languages, don't worry. Here on our website, you'll find comprehensive programming guides for each of them. These guides provide everything you need to know to become an expert in Python, Java, C, or Ruby. And don't forget to follow us on social media. We're present on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. There, you'll find extra content, updates on new projects, and the opportunity to interact with other programming enthusiasts. So, what are you waiting for? Embark on this journey of learning and exploring intelligent programming. Visit our website right now and start turning your ideas into reality. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share with your friends. Until next time, happy intelligent programming.